You do that one. Show me. I want to hear it. I'm waiting. Cat got your tongue? Can't even bark? Seriously? You've been barking all morning. Come on, give me a little bark. Lewis, don't ignore me. I want to bark. I don't want a bird tone, I want to bark. Come on. Really? Serious? Now you're just being silly. Yeah. I asked for you to bark. Like a dog. What's a dog do? Lewis. What does a dog do? Huh? What's Izzy B do? Taco? Taco don't whistle. I don't believe you. You gotta give us a little more than that. All I want is a bark. Lewis, do you only bark yourself to sleep? That was a quiet one. Can't you get a little louder?